Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet these rosy chicks for reindeer applique. Crochet rosy chick for reindeer applique. Needle we are using is of 3 mm. As usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So we get a small ring. See, this is the small ring we got. It is small, but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. Now, we are going to make 21 double crochet stitches around this ring. So, how we are going to do that? We will yarn over, insert a needle inside that ring. See, inside that ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. Again, yarn over, insert the needle inside that ring, grab the yarn, pull through and make a double crochet stitch. Following same pattern we have to make 21 double crochet stitches. I'll just complete this 21 stitches and I'll show you. Now see, here we are done with the 21 double crochet stitches. Now we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So our circle is complete. Okay, and one free end yarn is there. Yeah, we need to pull it so that middle gap is like packed completely. You get a solid small circle. See, like this, no gap is there in between now. Okay, and for last step we will just make one slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. And following same pattern you have to make one more. So our rosy chicks are ready. I'll just complete this and show you. Now this is how reindeer rosy chick look like. So this is how it looks after you stitch it up completely. You can it's like you can hang it on wall. It can be used as a wall hanging. It can be used as a door hanging. You can use it for crochet decoration, but obvious. And this is how the complete things look like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.